They told us this was one of the best day hikes in New Zealand. They forgot to mention it's a relentless, a few hours long, uphill battle to get there. In this episode, we're driving the Forgotten World Highway, visiting a tiny republic and attempting to climb up Mount Taranaki. But first, we're going off-grid to find some peace in the forest, because once we start that climb, the relaxing part is definitely over. After our busy last few days, we needed a rest. We found this spot at the Te Maire track right on the edge of the forest. This toilet is old, rustic, but gold. There's something magical about leaving the door open and watching the forest while you, well, do your business. Laura wasn't feeling 100% today, so we just embraced the slow van life. We played some Catan, and I finally cracked open this book. Highly recommended, by the way. After getting the bed sorted, it was just simple comforts. Cooking dinner, doing the dishes, and ending the night with a movie. Just a classic cozy van night. The next morning, I decided to tackle the loop hike solo while Laura rested. It's such a lovely trek. Not too hard, just pure nature. You cross this little river, and suddenly you're completely disconnected from the world. If you're traveling with family or just need to clear your head, this place is perfect. Back on the road, we hit the Forgotten World Highway. It lives up to that name. It feels wild out there. We drove straight into the Republic of Whangamomona. Yes, a republic. They actually issue their own passports. I grabbed one for my nephew and niece, and, of course, one for Laura and me. How cool is that souvenir? Leaving the republic, we saw it for the first time. Mount Taranaki, looming in the distance. It looks big. We stopped in Stratford for a bit of housekeeping, breakfast with the local ducks, and a library stop to steal some Wi-Fi. Plan our next days and check the weather. We were waiting for the rain to clear before the big attempt. The drive into Egmont National Park was a roller coaster. 1 minute pouring rain, the next sunshine. The road winds through this incredible native bush, getting higher and higher. When we finally parked up, the mountain was hiding. Thick clouds everywhere. We knew it was there, watching us, but we couldn't see a thing. Morning came way too fast. The sign says 8 to 10 hours return. Standing here at the trailhead, looking up at the fog, I'm asking myself what I'm actually doing here. But let's go. The first section is deceptive. It's this beautiful goblin-style forest. Moss everywhere, green tunnel. You almost forget you're about to climb a volcano. Almost.
Oh no!
And then the trees stop and the real work begins. The weather looked great starting out, but as I got higher, the mountain showed its teeth. The wind picked up, the ground turned into slippery loose rock, and the hiking turned into climbing. There was a moment where I hit snow and I thought, this is it, the top. Nope, just the false summit, classic Taranaki.
This would be your favorite part, Laura.
But then I was actually there, top of the world, or at least top of the North Island. What an achievement. I grabbed a quick lunch, but I didn't stay long. The clouds started rolling in, and I knew the way down, especially that slippery scree, was going to be just as hard as the way up.
Hey, you left your camera here. I know. I was hoping you can bring it me.
I'm sorry guys, but somehow I lost the files for the last part of the descent and our night at camp. So just imagine a very tired walk down and a good sleep. Let's fast forward to the next morning. I'm missing some visuals here as well. We're back. Laura is feeling much better, which is really great. I'm so happy about this. I've been waiting to do this overnight hike for so long. Here are the stats. It's the Pouakai Circuit. We've got 9 km to Holly Hut today, a quick side trip to Bells Falls, and then a massive 17 km walk out tomorrow. The hike started with good weather, but higher up we ended up walking exactly between the clouds. It wasn't too technical, just beautiful walking.
Wow, it's beautiful this part.
5 more minutes and we made it.
Yes!
We were the first ones there. I love this hut already. We got the beds ready and tried to set up the fireplace for a cozy afternoon. Except, first overnight hike, super prepared, and nobody brought a lighter. We literally had to sit and wait for the other hikers to arrive to save us. Once the fire was going, the rain started outside. Perfect timing. We played Catan, of course, and later checked out Bells Falls when the rain cleared.
Fighting. Oh my god.
And spent the night chopping wood and playing games with travelers from all over the world. This is why I love hut life. Next morning, 17 kilometers back to the car. It looked like a beautiful morning, but it was freezing and extremely windy.
Oh, nice.
We hiked to the town for that famous reflection photo and got this. The wind just wanted to kill us. No reflection today, just ripples. The walk back is a long one, up and down, changing from the open towns back into the forest for the last few kilometers.
Oh wow! Ooh la la!
We found a sheltered spot by the river for a quick lunch in the sun, finally out of the wind. Only 45 minutes left.
Made it!
What a trip! This feels like the perfect ending to our big hiking adventures in New Zealand. I loved every second of it. Thanks for joining us on this massive episode. Stay tuned because for the last 2 videos we're exploring some truly beautiful places. See you in the next one.